Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland Lawn and Garden. Today, we are going to do our first spring planting. And we grew these inside for at least a month, maybe 5 weeks. And we had grow lights in there and watered and fertilized them. Started them from seed. Now, we've got some different stuff here. And so these were store bought seed. Well, everything was store bought, but I mean these were old fashioned flour mix, and no, not Allison. Oh, you know what? We'll go check that out, and we'll find out exactly what that is. I can't remember. It was a different type of low growing flower, blooming flower. But back here, now this, if you're curious, well, this is going to be natural bird seed. See, right up here we've got the bird feeders. Okay, all right. So now this is we've got a regular economy mix. We've got the black sunflower seeds. Then we give them cake of suet every now and then. But what I did was I took the economy bird seed and simply sowed it in these little pots. And so this is going to be some kind of grasses. This will be interesting to see. And I'm going to plant them back there, right? Back in there is where they're going to go. All right, so that'll be close to the bird feeders. And then right in front of it there, we're going to give it a little bit of color. This is the container that we grew them inside. And so, oh, that's what it is. Impatiens and old-fashioned garden mix and old black-eyed Susans. So, yeah, that's what we got going on here. But, so we'll get to this one day, couple days, I'd say. We're going to go back to what we're working over there on the other side. So we have our holes dug with the garden trowel, and we're ready to plant everything. We're going to have the grasses in the back. Now, right up here, we're going to have the flowers for a little bit of low show. And we did put some flowers in the very back. These were the three weakest pots, so we're going to plant all three of them together, and they'll be mainly in the shade. And so give them a little nice little hamlet to live in. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. And this is the early spring, because I think that according to the forecast, it's supposed to be in what, the 80s coming up here shortly next week. And we always did say that April 15th is our deadline. That's when you really should start thinking about planting things outside in the ground. And, well, with that forecast, I think we can start just a few days early. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.